Come on. All right, so market's gonna open. New York, okay. New York session is going to open like in a few minutes. I just wanted to show what it do just before at least. Uh, um, get this out the way. Okay, this is SPY. I just mark out 1 hour lows and highs. Did it for both. This is NASDAQ. This 5 minute, hold on. 1 hour, same thing. Just from looking at this, I can imagine, I mean, this is pre-market, but I can imagine that we are going possibly short because this is the closest draw up here. I guess sell side, yeah, the sell side is the closest draw, so it's better, not better off. It can get to here first, okay? Get up here, 5 minute break structure down, come up, retrace, find an entry there, continue down. The only thing, and this is just me like kind of not talking out of line, talking about something I don't know, but it's just an idea that earlier at 6 it formed low, and at 8:15 it went underneath, so I wonder if that might cost some long movement just right off market open, but it's not gonna happen most likely because market's just been going straight down. So I see it retraces up, hopefully it retraces up, hits the 1 hour liquidity, and then I can get a 5 minute break structure, a slight retracement. I can get in the news I want to show. Let me just show USD. I don't want to take that stuff. I'm not taking that stuff. Just look at USD. Actually, no. Whatever, do whatever. This was the news for today, Thursday the 6th. I'm more interested on USD unemployment claims. This is good for USD, so it's bad for the S&P. So that's another thing. My confirmation, whatever. President Trump speaking, but it's orange news. Last time it was like this. It was like clean price action. Actually, what day was that? I don't remember. Not this day. I think it was here, and the price action was like readable. Or am I wrong? I don't remember if I'm wrong. Like, why did Tuesday come to whatever? How did I get to January? What? How did I get to January? What? I don't know why I remember an orange. It was about Trump speaking. That it was good price action. What was I on? What happened? I don't know. I don't know. I haven't really been doing good at the indices. I mean, like, there was like this 1 week where it was like really good price action. Like, super easy for me to read, but I've been slacking and lacking, not making it happen, as you can see. But, well. Alright, yeah, that's it. Anything else? No. I'm gonna gold trade. This again was just another alert. Market's about to open. Yeah, it's just another alert. I'm up a little bit. I got in a pretty good Actually, no, that's the price. Oh, dang. I don't even. Okay. Yeah, that's the trade. They've been low risk reward trades, but that's the alert. The guy's been 100% this last week. He was honestly like 100% for like months and months and months. I don't know why now I get in, but I mean, I have my reason, but whatever. Also, am I even recording? Yeah. Yapping a whole bunch and. Alright. And I was looking at. Wasn't actually this one, but. This one's getting ready. Supply and demand plus liquidity. This one was like not the best quality, but it still might be good. They said just risk a small amount. That I'll do. If it comes down here, it also depends on the reaction. It's pretty valid. Made the demand, broke the high, kept breaking highs. Also broke this high here and these. It's breaking a whole bunch of these highs. Thing is, it's like 9 days old. Not the sharpest move, but it's also pretty old too. But broke all these highs, started to push down. Still breaking highs, but here. It's an indices, so the space doesn't really matter too much between the. But that's pretty close, which is nice. So yeah, market's gonna open right now. I'm gonna record when I'm gonna replay when something happens. But I'm gonna get a book and I'm gonna read it until something happens. I've been wasting my time. A lot of times when I come to New York Open and nothing happens, I'm just standing there like BSing on my phone like I need to be productive still. Oh yeah, that reminds me, I should make a video about. Okay, this was too much longer than I wanted. Okay, just a little update. It's almost 9:50. I guess at 9:50 the macro opens and it seeks out the liquidity, so it'd be cool for it to see it go straight down and start to make moves up to break 5-minute structure. It was closer to take out highs to go short. It went straight down, seeking for longs. That's all it's been so far. It's kind of staying together. Nasdaq was closer than SPY, but SPY's also actually SPY looks to be a little closer. But it seemed like Nasdaq was moving before SPY. So the macro's back open. I'm gonna see what happens. I'll update y'all when it comes back. I'm reading this book. It's called The War of Art. I had it marked down a long time ago because Myron Golden suggest this was a book to read. I'm like in the first like 3-4 pages, and I see there's always like a question to look for. The best way to read a book is to like look for an answer to a question you have going in the book. And is this thing gonna go for longs now? Anyways, yeah, in the answer I'm looking for in this book is how to overcome, fight, kind of beat resistance and like resistance, you know, to when you try to do stuff or accomplish stuff, that resistance, how do you overcome it when it comes? And I got that question I'm looking for from reading the first few pages of this book. It's talking about resistance. Also, I remember that I knew a 1-hour candle's gonna form. Dang, this thing's really pushing up now. I'm really confused. What is it seeking out? Actually, it's not bad that I'm still recording. 9:50 macro opens, seeking out liquidity. Is it seeking for shorts? Crazy. Wait, oops. Wait, what? What's happening here? Well, that's so weird. Whoa, that's so weird. They're both doing that. That's really weird. I don't think that's wrong though. I think the 1 hour is kind of off. Ugh, that's so freaky. To me. Okay, I'm gonna go until something happens. How long is this? 10 minutes? And that's not bad. 10 minutes is a live trade, so it's not a recap, it's a live trade. But yeah, I'll see what happens. I gotta pay attention more now. But if it doesn't hit a 1 hour, high or low, I'm not gonna get in anything. Maybe I should. If it hits these 15, which it looks like it's doing, it's just pushing straight up. Okay, well, I'll see. I'm gonna pause. Goodbye. Okay, nothing new really happened. It's almost 10. What would be, this is like a common strategy. I think it's called like the MAC or whatever, but it's like it consolidates, like you see here. And for how I want it, prefer to go for this, it comes down, sweeps liquidity, then breaks back on up. You know, a clear price action, not consolidating like this, and consolidates, comes down, breaks low, gets liquidity, over breaks through all of it. So let's take this out. Right now, this is kind of the consolidation around here, or whatever, like something like that. Wait, I actually just did that up. Broke up a little bit. Shorts. There's like no entry here. There's a fair value gap here, but like there's nothing really. There's an order block, doesn't even get hit. We'll see. Goodbye. Also, this book's really good. Okay. We broke 5-minute structure on both pairs, on the NADS and the SPY. Right here, we broke structure. I like kind of stuck between longs and shorts because I don't know if to seek this out to drop, or if I should look for longs because this baby here broke structure. It's also rejecting this, you know, this. You know, they're bearish confirmations, and it's getting rejected. So I don't know if when it retrace, I look for entry for longs, or when it hits here, I look for our shorts. I don't know. I think I should be looking for longs, and now I'm pretty stuck on longs. But yeah, I'm really lost with what the bias should be. I feel like it should obviously be longs, but there's there's a lot of other stuff that like makes shorts look so good. I'm like all over the place. What? That's the wrong thing. Oh, I was like, oh no. Thought there's 10 a.m. news for USD. That's what I was about to talk about, but it's CAD. All right, actually, there's others. How's this? No. Okay. Okay, that didn't touch it yet, but it's not going to, so it's probably bad. It didn't sweep anything yet. It's like just hovering. Man, can y'all chill? It hasn't tapped into anything yet. It's no retracement either. Okay, well, I'm gonna be out. All right, I just want to do a quick final thoughts. You can see the balance. I deleted everything. I kind of forgot that I was waiting to finish recording. Where was I? Okay. The last of it, I don't remember where I left off. Okay. Uh, the 5 minute break did it. Here. 5 minute break. Okay. So, I technically did get a win on NAS. It was really unorthodox trade, but it went up, hit 1 hour, stayed there for a little bit. 5 minute break of structure. I was like, what? When I looked. Okay, 5 minute broke. 5 minute break of structure. Price went down. Wait. Where's my retracement? Who's here? Did I take the trade on this or SPY? Oh boy. Really? Then why'd I get in so late? No, maybe that's right, but yeah. This was a retrace. I remember. I'm so lost. Oh yeah, because, okay. Price came down. Oh. When did I enter, dude? Hold on, I should have looked at this before I came back. Okay, I'm sorry. I completely was out of it. Alright. Also, you might hear Dragon Ball Z in the background. Pretty sick. Okay. So this here, 5 minute broker structure. Then I looked for retracement, which I got when it hit up here. Okay, 1 minute breaker structure. Here. 1 minute. I entered shorts around here with stops above here. And I changed, but I had my TP like somewhere at wait, I never even thought about it. The price did went down here. It did hit these low. Wow, it did hit the lows. Wait. Oh, no, that was the wrong day. It was here. So I had this marked. It hit that. It hit here. It did hit all of them. So that wasn't a bad trade. Wow. Okay, that's cool. Anyways. Now I see that even though the movement is not like around the time it should be, it's still genuinely, at least for this trade, it went in that direction. Okay, anyways. Yeah, so I entered here, and the millisecond I entered, like a broke structure, 1 minute broke structure here, equilibrium. I guess you could say hit the order block, came down 1 minute break structure. It's cool. Millisecond I entered, went all the way up. I was like, great. Came down. And now what I did that ended up taking me out, which I see was actually bad. Definitely emotions for sure. I did not have trust in any bias at all. But what I did was, because price was like, was kind of staying up here. I was like, I don't know if I'm really gonna get profit or win in this. Took profit here. Price came down. I took this like 0.5 of the move. So my risk reward was like 0.5 on this. I risked 0.5 and took off half my position here, so I won almost nothing. I mean, I think it was like 30, 40. I think 30, 20, whatever. So took off half here, put my stop loss at the entry. See, price ripped. And now I see it actually did go down. So I should have never put my TP here. My original TP here would have been, where's 1-1? If you can hear Dragon Ball Z, it'll be funny. Oh, it did a 1-1 and went up. So there's a good chance I would have still been stopped out, but properly, I target the 1 hour low first. And I guess if it broke structure, like what, the 5 minute? Yeah, here. And then here, maybe re-enter here. Put stops all the way up there. Target the lows. I wonder how consistently it takes out. That's something I could back test actually. How consistently it will take out the lows once you get like that direction. Cause seeing it come up here, break structure, come on down, you can kind of tell. Dang, there's a lot of stuff going on. Alright, yeah, that's true. What else happened? Gold? I think I already showed gold. Oh yeah, 1 gold. Target was here. Price went up here and went down, so I think I took profit like here. 80. Wait, another thing with this trade. As it was coming. When did I get taken out? Oh, because I went on the wrong one. I thought I cleared this out. Dang, I must have went at the worst moment. Because that would have actually worked out fine. Yeah, I think that's exactly what happened. Or was it here? I don't remember, but I tried to kind of like scalp real quick for like the first time I ever tried that. I tried to scalp. I had no clue what I was doing, to be honest. I wanted to like enter but be break even when I enter, but it's like impossible with the market to do that. That's what I prefer because I don't want to lose any gain. Only get stopped out when it came right back to my entry, but I can't do that right when you enter. I think I did like twice here. I did one. The minute I saw it was negative, the second I went in, it started going up, and I went out. And I think it was like here, I entered and just went. I got out real quick. I think I lost a little bit, but I think I ended the day with like 10, 12 made. But it was a little trade. Stupid stuff. Crazy to see though, it actually got hit. I should have stuck with the gun, but that's something to back test. Once the proper direction is determined, the proper direction for the day later on from the New York session, how does it finish moving? But I really did start to think it was gonna be a long day, but no, bro. Came up, hit the 1 hour, came down, took the rest of the 1 hours. But yeah, that's it. UK 100. It hit the zone. I cleared it, hit the zone. Even went down more. It hit the. I think it hit the zone around here. It hit the zone and it just stayed still because swap hours was coming. I think I'm in swap hours right now. See, some of the stuff is closed. But yeah, they said like after like 12. Shouldn't get. Oops. You shouldn't get into any more trades. Actually, I'll show this. That thing got 10 views. Sheesh. I know. Crazy. The short. Alright, these are new. Sheesh. But not if you're doing that. Alright, that's it.